My name is Murali Krishna. I am studying Management in Information Technology in St. Francis College, located in Brooklyn, in New York State. And today I am going to explain about the topic of IT governance and cyber security governance regarding the topic of regulations that we have been involved in cyber security. And I took the topic from few of the papers written by the selected paper data protection through governance of frameworks by Jolakanti Satyaraju Garu and Jolakanti 2025. They address the critical role of governance frameworks in the safeguarding the sensitive organization information as the data gains values, business and organization face growing cyber attacks, data breaches, and regularity compliance threats. The paper emphasizes the necessity for orderly governance of the policies and frameworks to address the threats. Efficiency, the records of being the governance to power employees compile safety and ethical information technology, information management. The government's praises outlines the ideas like hazardous control, access controls, record satisfactory warranty, and adoption of precise policies consisting of general data protection, regularity GDPR, and Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act HIPAA or California Consumer Privacy Act CCPA. Data governance frameworks provides information with the systematic guidance to the governance, transparency, and accountability and operational effectiveness while protecting sensitive data. The authors analyze case studies in different sectors and illustrate the practical applications and challenges of implementing governance models. The primary finding is that despite availability of elaborate governance models, organizations might fail in enforcement due to issues like lack of stakeholders acceptance and involving the cybersecurity and the integration problems added to these significant benefits involving in data protection and data consume sharing governance policy. And I have submitted a link regarding this, which we have already submitted regarding the paper where we have bought the concept and who is the author of the concept, everything else. And regarding to my analysis, application to the model concepts, the concern discussed in the article corresponds with Module 2 of IT 6001, which includes the topic of IT governance, data governance, regulatory compliance, and controls for cybersecurity. The central connecting point for the article and the module learning object in the emphasis on the structured governance framework to ensure data security and compliance. Under the module presentation of IT governance as the strategic method for achieving IT alignment with the business objective, the article also introduced the references to the government framework being the key ensured operations efficiency and regularity compliance data governance on the module core component is explained in the detailed article, particularly regarding its role in maintaining data quality, integrity, and security. Compliance with the regulation is another general subject that overlaps with the article module 2. The paper covers massive legal guidelines which includes GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA, which mandate strict information strategic policies for the organization and compliance frameworks, provides commercial enterprises pointers for adhering the felony and ethical requirements while managing user facts. Compliance is also touched with the IT governance, discussing how the companies put the force regulation to keep away for the legal movements and the preserve public self-belief. The issues raised with the article, which include the failure to put in the force governance rules and preserving with the evolving rules, and the parallel to the module dialogue of the dynamic compliance of the IT security. Cybersecurity provides any other crucial bridge linking the module to the object teaching, the article references, and to the development threats of cybersecurity and information. The module teaches cybersecurity governance, including putting in local security pointers, identity incidents, reactions, and non-stopping monitoring mechanisms to mitigate risk. Mitigate risk. The article helps this by showing how the governance frameworks can integrate security approaches, conduct the chance of putting risk technologies in force, including AI-powered danger suspections and blockchains for security of NewGen 2024. Implementing AI for anomaly detection blockchain for the study of coverage, enforcement, and strength to the governance of the structure. The innovation related to the modulus finding and the effective of technologies and destiny of the governance. Coming to my point, I have learned it affords a paragrammatic perception of the traps and the benefits of the governance models in the module 2. Integrity, academicity, and theoretical explanation have been learned a lot in this paper. That provoking perspective how IT governance, data governance, regulative compliance, and cyber control combine to provide a secure and effective landscape. I already submitted the references also in the note. Please go and check through it. Thank you.